All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. The folks over at Pitaka have taken care of me again. So here is the new case that they have for their holiday season, and it has not for sale on here because these are just the demo units, but you'll be able to get yours once these are fully available. These colors are just obviously beautiful. This is the packaging that it comes in, and these are ultra slim cases. So you can see I do have it here for the Pro as well, and I'll have it. I'm going to show it to you with the Air. This packaging, this is their newer packaging. Oh, that looks beautiful in person. Oh, wow. That looks beautiful in person. And it's just some little bit of literature in here inside the packaging, nothing. Yeah, looks like it's just some literature. You get this little thing here with the waves. It's crazy. All right, so let's put it on the phone and let's show it to you. And you can see I also have here their magnetic piece there for the MagSafe. The woven. This is really sleek, really nice. Oh, so beautiful. This color here matches perfectly with this phone here. And look at the interior. That is beautiful. You can see there. Glints of gold. Beautiful. Texture inside of here is soft touch. It's grippy around its corners because of the way it's made. And this is the beautiful color. I mean, folks, this color is ridiculous in person. It is so sleek. It's so nice. We're going to put it in here. This is the perfect accent for this phone. This color is crazy. And look, this case has texture, just so you know. It has texture. It's not that it has texture. I can't describe it. It's freaking beautiful in person. There are some things about it though, and they have to build it around the actual phone itself. As you can see here, you have to have access to the camera and then the power button. So those portions are open, and you can see the bottom here, and you can see the side here, and then the top and the back here. This is nice, ginormous camera cover there. It really protects the camera. You look at it from that angle. Really protects the camera. This is freaking beautiful, man. And the fact that it has like texture to it, it's very nice. Very nice. And then they also have this here, obviously, for MagSafe, the ring. Let's get this open here. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I have a lot of these. And it's going to match the color. But the ring here, obviously, it pops open again here. So you can get more stance on it, instead of just having a small one. The magnet on here is just so good. If you want to pop your phone up, yeah, depending on how big your hands are or however you want to do it, you can turn it like that. This is great. This is really good, man. So I really appreciate them sending this over. This is just a win. If you want to watch a movie, you can totally do it. It's all in like this, man. And you can see how it comes down right here and folds away. That's how it's done. You got a little bit of Pitaka branding right here. Very nice. Matching the case and everything there. So this is really good. This is a solid setup here. Nothing that we haven't seen from Pitaka. But this is beautiful. This holiday color thing that they have going here is absolutely stunning. And I think in person, if you see this, you're going to say, whoa, that is beautiful. There's no way you can't. The combination is really sleek. And if you have the Pro version here, I'll show you the Pro. It'll be a little different for the Pro, but still the same. This is what it's going to look like, because the Pro has a little bit less openings than the way it is, but they have it covered here in a textured one for the Pro model. And I wonder why they did it like this for the Pro model. I wonder why they did it like that, or like the covered here instead of the Air. Maybe because the Air is thinner. I don't know, but this is absolutely stunning. I don't really care for this portion here, but that is fully exposed like that. But still, this is a beautiful combination. This color scheme here is just absolutely stunning. This is beautiful, man. Oh my gosh. This is just a beautiful combination here. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.